Woo! Ready to change your life? Want to go from your old body to your new body? Watch this video. Okay, so what is the transformation meal? This is a meal that changed my life. I've been working at it for 15 years and I've never seen results like this. Every day I start off my day, wake up, go and get my cup of coffee. So instead of adding milk or sugar, I add Core Power protein milk. I get the 42 grams of protein, 240 calorie variety. You can see it here, or you can maybe see it here, or I'll put a link in the bottom. So add that to your coffee. That's my breakfast. Once I start to work, I work for maybe 2-3 hours, and then once I get hungry, then I have another cup of coffee, a little bit more Core Power, and I have my flapjacked Mighty Muffin. So you can see the muffin here. And basically what it is, it's 200 calories, 20 grams of protein. And what I do is I add a little bit of blueberries and walnuts to get some more fiber, some antioxidants, and some essential fatty acids that'll really help transform your body. So once I eat my breakfast, I'm off to the gym. Now this is just one part of my entire fitness and diet regimen. I'm going to talk about my lunch, dinner, fitness plan, everything you can do to transform your life, transform your body. It's coming up soon. Just make sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram @LifeTailored, and I'll see you guys soon. Woo!